Welcome to South Africa, a land of breathtaking landscapes. But beneath its beauty lies a deep, complex and inspiring story of resilience and heritage. Join us as we uncover the untold stories of this incredible nation, South Africa. The very name evokes images of vast savannas, majestic wildlife and vibrant cultures. It's a land where nature's grandeur meets the rich tapestry of human history and tradition. But beneath this breathtaking beauty lies a history as complex and captivating as the land itself. A history that tells tales of ancient civilizations, colonial struggles, and the enduring spirit of its people. Each layer of history adds depth to the nation's identity. It's a tapestry woven with threads of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. This is a land where the echoes of ancient stories mingle with the dynamism of a modern nation. A place where past and present coexist in harmony. A land where the spirit of Ubuntu, the interconnectedness of humanity, thrives. Ubuntu is more than a philosophy. It's a way of life that binds communities together. Join me as we journey through South Africa's past, exploring the landmarks and towns that have shaped its identity and continue to inspire the world. Each location we visit will reveal a piece of the nation's soul. Let's begin our exploration in the southwestern tip of the African continent, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Indian Ocean, in a city nestled beneath the iconic flat-topped mountain. Cape Town, a melting pot of cultures, serves as our gateway to understanding the soul of this captivating nation. Here, the past and present blend seamlessly, offering a glimpse into the heart of South Africa. Just a short ferry ride from the bustling V&A waterfront in Cape Town lies Robben Island, a stark reminder of South Africa's turbulent past. Once a place of isolation and incarceration, Robben Island is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who fought for freedom. The island stands as a symbol of resilience and hope. It was here that Nelson Mandela, the icon of South Africa's anti-apartheid struggle, spent 18 years of his 27-year imprisonment. His cell, a small stark room, has become a powerful symbol of endurance. The cramped cells, the harsh labor, the constant psychological torment. Robben Island was designed to break the spirit. Yet, it became a place where the human spirit was tested and ultimately triumphed. Yet it was here that Nelson Mandela's resolve was only strengthened. His unwavering commitment to justice and equality inspired millions. Robben Island is not just a museum, it's a pilgrimage site, a place to reflect on the past and draw inspiration for the future. It serves as a reminder that even in the darkest times, hope and resilience can prevail. Leaving the poignant history of Robben Island behind, we journey north to the Cradle of Humankind, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that takes us back to the very dawn of humanity. Located about 50 kilometers northwest of Johannesburg, this site holds within its ancient caves a treasure trove of fossils, providing invaluable insights into our evolutionary origins. It was here that some of the oldest hominid fossils, dating back millions of years, were discovered. These discoveries, including the famous Mrs. Pless and Littlefoot skeletons, have revolutionized our understanding of human evolution, tracing our lineage back to these very plains of Africa. Visiting the Sterkfontein Caves or the Marapeng Visitor Center is like stepping back in time, a humbling reminder of our shared ancestry and the long journey that brought us here. Back in Johannesburg, a city pulsing with life and energy, we encounter another facet of South Africa's story, the Apartheid Museum. This museum, opened in 2001, is not just a collection of artifacts, it's a powerful and moving testament to the horrors of apartheid, the system of racial segregation that gripped South Africa for almost 50 years. Through photographs, film footage, personal accounts, and historical artifacts, the museum documents the rise and fall of apartheid. The Apartheid Museum is a stark reminder that freedom is not free. It's earned through struggle and sacrifice, and the human spirit to overcome even the most daunting challenges. Franschhoek, a touch of France in Africa. From the poignant history of Johannesburg, our journey takes us to the picturesque Cape Winelands, a region of rolling vineyards, charming towns, and a unique blend of cultures. Here, nestled at the end of a valley surrounded by towering mountains, lies Franschhoek, a town with a distinctly French flavor. Founded in 1688 by French Huguenot refugees fleeing religious persecution in Europe, Franschhoek still retains much of its French heritage. The town's name itself means French corner in Dutch. Stroll down the streets of Franschhoek, and you'll find quaint cafes, award-winning restaurants, and boutique wineries, all reflecting the town's French influence. But Franschhoek is more than just a pretty face. Its enduring legacy of the Huguenots, who, despite facing adversity, persevered, contributing significantly to South Africa's rich cultural tapestry. Kimberley, city of diamonds and dust. Our journey through South Africa's past wouldn't be complete without a visit to Kimberley, the Diamond City, a place where history and legend intertwine. Located in the heart of the Northern Cape, Kimberley was once the epicenter of the world's diamond rush, drawing adventurers and fortune seekers from all corners of the globe. It all began in 1867 when a 15-year-old boy, Erasmus Jacobs, discovered a sparkling diamond on the banks of the Orange River, a find that would change the course of history. This discovery sparked a diamond frenzy that would transform this dusty corner of South Africa forever, turning it into a bustling hub of activity. Thousands flocked to Kimberley, eager to strike it rich, each one hoping to find their fortune in the earth. The result was the Big Hole, a massive open-pit mine, dug by hand, an incredible feat of human labor and determination. This site stands as proof to human ambition and the relentless pursuit of fortune, a symbol of the lengths people will go to for wealth. Today, while diamond mining has diminished, Kimberley offers a glimpse into a bygone era. Visit the Big Hole, a landmark of historical significance. Explore the Kimberley Mine Museum, or wander through the restored Victorian-era buildings, and you'll be transported back to the days of diamond fever, a time when dreams were made and lost in the dust of Kimberley. Echoes of the past, whispers of the future. As we journey through South Africa, from the poignant history of Robben Island to the ancient wonders of the cradle of humankind, from the vibrant streets of Johannesburg to the tranquil vineyards of Franschhoek and the dusty plains of Kimberley, we begin to understand the depth and complexity of this nation's story. South Africa's history is not just a collection of dates and events, it's a living, breathing narrative that continues to shape the present and inspire the future. It's a story of resilience, of triumph over adversity, of a nation coming to terms with its past, while forging a new path towards a brighter future. The Spirit of Ubuntu. Central to South Africa's story is the Spirit of Ubuntu, a philosophy that emphasizes the interconnectedness of humanity. Ubuntu speaks to the belief that we are all bound together. It's this spirit of Ubuntu that fueled the struggle against apartheid, the belief that a nation divided cannot stand. It's this same spirit that continues to drive South Africa's journey towards healing and reconciliation. Ubuntu, a reminder that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. Conclusion: South Africa, a story still unfolding. South Africa's story is far from over. It's a story still being written, a journey that continues to unfold with each passing day. As we've seen through its landmarks and towns, South Africa's history is a tapestry woven from threads of struggle, resilience, and hope. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people, their ability to overcome adversity and forge a new path forward. So as you stand at the southern tip of Africa, gazing out at the vast expanse of the ocean, remember this: South Africa's story is not just a history lesson, it's an invitation. It's an invitation to learn from the past, to embrace the present, and to contribute to the ongoing journey of building a more just and equitable future for all. Leave us your comments and please subscribe for more.